Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We continue to be in this sort of range here. However, XRP obviously broke out of the trend channel a few days ago. No, it was yesterday it was, but then failed again and broke down again. Now we see a bit of a green candle here, a little bit of upside today, but it's nothing substantial. It's just sideways movement. And yeah, I'm getting a bit concerned that this wave 4 could be invalidated. Now, it won't be technically invalidated until we really go where would we need to go to? Here. I mean, until we go to 39 cents. But from experience, I can tell you that this wave 4 compared to the wave 4 depth is already too large. So I might have to change the count anyway. But the problem I have with this count now, with this fourth wave, and I did explain that in yesterday's video already, that the move up is corrective. So I basically have to assume that this goes down a bit deeper. Now I have to unpack here a pattern that I absolutely don't like and that typically doesn't apply because it's an absolute messy structure. Let me just see. No, here. Yeah, basically a WXYXZ pattern. That's still possible. It's just an extended corrective pattern. I normally don't use it. It typically doesn't apply. So it's super unlikely, super rare. Well, you never know. So the point is, if it comes and makes one more low here below the Y low, below 48.3 cents, it has another chance to find support at 47.8. But if it drops below that level, I'm going to change the count. So again, as long as it's holding 47.8 cents, the focus can be on higher in a fifth wave to reach here eventually, roughly 73 cents, maybe even more. But obviously the fact that it hasn't, this here is the point for Monday where it should have started to rally impulsively. Now it didn't. That's the small problem. It can still do it, but obviously the rally, which was in 3 waves, doesn't make it easier. A good sign to be more bullish now, to be on the bullish side now, and let's say an indication that would support the bullish case here, at least short-term bullish, would be a break above 52.6 cents, because that's the X wave high, and ideally we're breaking above that level. If we do that, we're also going to break above the previous swing high here, Sunday high, and that would have bullish implications. If we drop below 47.8 cents, that would then significantly simplify the chart. First of all, it would bring the bearish count into focus, which would then lead here to another low. So it would be very simple. We would just say, okay, this was wave W, X, wave Y finished. And we're now moving down in this C wave in 5 waves. Yeah. So that would be coming to focus below 47.8 cents or a slightly different pattern, an extended bullish one. But we will be able to use then support levels to determine which of these two it is. So if I'm counting this as a WXY pattern, I could also say, okay, this was the A wave, this was the B wave. And the rally that we've seen here so far was just a wave 1. But I will sketch that out if we no need to do that work now, but I will sketch that out if we have dropped below 47.8 cents. And if we then come down, it could be still a wave 2 in an alternative bullish case. And I will then give you support for that level. I think it's around 43 cents. But first of all, the 47.8 cent level is very, very important. So I will focus on that for you. Again, at the moment, target-wise to the upside, if we can push through to the upside, it would be around 73 cents, maybe even higher. But at the moment, it just, first of all, the bulls need to make sure it's holding 47.8 cents. Don't get me wrong, this could even emerge to something like a boring triangle, but also then it's getting unlikely as a wave 4. It might then rather be a B wave also within maybe that wave 2. So we need a bit of patience. Markets haven't really moved. We're basically in the same situation that we were already in a few days ago. The whole week was a bit boring, went a bit up, bit down, bit up, bit down. But yeah, these periods in markets happen. Can't change it. It is what it is. And so far the count applies. It doesn't have to be changed. Again, maybe we have to add that XZ pattern. But if we make one more low here, I would think that we will also drop below 47.8 Fib, because we then just drop too far, right? A wave 4 normally does not break below the 50% Fib retracement. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.